So the reason for this video is one, to hit my goal. I wasn't able to film yesterday. Quick public service announcement. So me, Ryan, Robbie, and Tyson have started kind of doing car work on the side. So if you guys live in the Sacramento area and you'd like to have some stuff done to your car, you see the videos that we produce, you like what we're doing, we can definitely beat shop prices. We're not trying to go full commercial. It's kind of a word of mouth, help a few people out kind of thing. Anything from full detailing to coilovers to motor upgrades, like all that kind of stuff, let us know. DM me on Instagram. Obviously you need to be in the Sacramento area, bring it here. I would like to not really take on any projects that's going to be more than a day turnaround or two. If you don't follow me on Instagram, check out my Instagram. The link will be down below. We just did Angelo's A4, or I guess it's an S4. We just did Angelo's S4, did stage 2 supercharger pulley, SoloWorks coilovers, a badgeless grill. We were able to knock that out in a couple hours, get everything good, decent ride height, and deliver it back to him. So basically I wanted to make this video to kind of reintroduce myself to all my new subscribers. I've got quite a bit of subscribers. I have a decent steady growing rate here, and I just wanted to reintroduce myself because my channel's kind of been all over the place with all the different projects. So I kind of wanted to hit you guys with where the cars came from, what they are, what their plans are for 2018, and that way everyone's kind of on the same page. So right here, I just picked up a couple weeks ago. This is my 1997 Volkswagen Jetta VR6. For you guys that don't know, I have a very big Mark III background, Volkswagen background. The Jetta, we did just do a video doing an engine bay cleanup. I bought this from the original owner. If you haven't seen, we just did the French look-alike fog lights up front. It's on AccuAir E-Level management and airlift bags. Basically the plans for this car is to keep it pretty much cosmetic. I want to do E-codes. I want to do a VR lip with a custom splitter, winglets, side skirts, clean up the interior a little bit, and new set of wheels. We just actually threw these wheels on. These are Audi TT wheels we had laying around. I scuffed them up, repainted them, and threw them on, and I think they look pretty good. I've never really been too big of a fan of these wheels, but they fit the car well, and tucking 17s on bags is always awesome. This is my other car. This is my 1990 240SX with a 91 dual cam in it. It's KAT. It's currently running 7 pounds of boost right now. Plans for this car is bigger injectors, a tune, and more boost. This year I'd like to get it caged, kitted, overs, and paint along with the tune. The tune and all that stuff should be done here within the next month or so. I'm still just collecting funds to spend a lot of money on the truck. I contacted Martin at Enthalpy, and they're gonna tune the car, so should be good. I'd say anywhere probably around 250, 280 wheel, with the ability to turn it up to probably around 300, which is max of where I want to be at it anyways because of driving skill. I don't really want to try to go overboard. I want to try to make the motor last. The whole idea with this car, when I got it, it wasn't running, and I didn't have any plans on turboing it right away, but I kind of got the idea of showing everyone that you can build a car on a budget. That's basically the whole point of this whole entire channel, is to show you guys that you can build the car on a budget with a little bit of know-how, elbow grease, and patience. So all said and done, this car will probably cost me around $5,000 completely. That's cage, kit, everything, turbo, everything, including the car. So I know that's really hard to see right now with the drift tax and everything, but that's kind of the point. So if you have any interest in learning how to do things yourself, how to find things on a budget, any journey with this car, then hit the subscribe button. I also do have a set of tires for this that are in the back on rims, waiting to hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you guys could share this with your friends, we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm about to give it the biggest, baddest burnout I possibly can with those tires. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Obviously, I'm sorry this isn't the most exciting video, but I'm hoping that this allows everybody to kind of get on the same page, all the new subscribers and the subscribers that have been here for a while, kind of where we're headed with the channel, where we've been. And I want to really say thank you to all you guys that have been subscribing, giving the videos thumbs up, sharing it, liking, all that good stuff. Basically, obviously I'm not making a lot of money off YouTube, but because of you guys and you guys subscribing and watching the videos, it's really pushing me to my limits and allowing me to accomplish things that I never thought I would. To be completely honest, when Caden was born, I pretty much thought that everything car related, which has always been my biggest passion, was going to come to an halt. Obviously I don't make a whole lot of money, Kelly doesn't make a whole lot of money, and my family has to come first. and so I thought that would meant that the rest of this was gonna stop. But because of you guys and you guys showing me you want to see more, and hitting me up on Instagram and asking questions and commenting and all that good stuff, it really pushes me to continue doing this, and to make it work. And I don't think I would have took this car anywhere as far as I have in this last year, without you guys and the ability to go get this car, and it all makes sense. So again, I want to say thank you to all you guys. Hope you guys had a good New Year, and I'll see you next weekend.